back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, make sure you click that subscribe button down below. And if you like the video, make sure you give me a like and a comment. Period. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Like, it ain't that hard. Like, stop making it that hard. It's not that hard. Just subscribe, click, like, click, you know, click.
Oh, say less.
Today's video, I'm going to be remodeling my room. You know, I'm going into a new school year, and you know, I wanted to give my room like a new like feng shui. Like, I'm kind of bored of how it's looking right now, so I'm gonna kind of like revamp it. And I also actually need some new, I don't have any coffee tables in my room. Not coffee tables, like little side tables, and those are very essential to your room. And I need a little table for like for my makeup area. I also need some pictures that I can put around the room. I need to revamp my closet. I have too much clothes. I just have way too much clothes, so I'm gonna get a I'm gonna try to find like a rack, like a clothing rack in here. I don't want a clothing rack, but I need one because I have a problem. And the first thing about having a problem is admitting that you have a problem. I have a problem. I have too much clothes. I have too much clothes. But how to fix the problem is we're gonna get some hangers, and we're gonna get a clothing rack, and we're just gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. Gonna have to make it work. But yes, so currently my room needs 2 night tables on each side, and I need a little table to hold my stuff while I'm like flat ironing and curling my hair by my mirror. So in total I need like 3 tables. And I also need like some pictures to put around the room. Right now I'm in front of TJ Maxx, so we're gonna start off there. We're gonna see if they have anything. I particularly don't know what I'm looking for. I'm just gonna go in there and feel inspired. I know I do want to keep the Chanel theme that I already got going on in my room. I don't know what I'm gonna find, but hopefully we find something good. I'm currently in TJ Maxx right now, and I'm looking at the bed sheets, and I'm not really seeing nothing that I like. They look real boring, real, I don't know, they're just not, they ain't giving me nothing. They look real boring. Like, all these lights and stuff, like,
I don't like that.
Like, I don't want to be paying in basic. My budget for my room, I'm not trying to spend more than like $300 on everything, because, you know, it'll be a little bit too extra if I spent too much. Okay, so I think that I found the 2 nightstands that I like. This is what they look like. They are both $59. So for the both of them, it's gonna be like what, $120. I like them though, and they got the little stay charged. I think that is so cute. Like, so I think I'm gonna get them. Okay, so I'm out of TJ Maxx, and mission was not accomplished. So we're gonna have to go to another store. I'm gonna go swing past Target and see what Target has, because TJ Maxx did not have any bed sheets. All their bed sheets look like they were made for grandmothers. Like, no, I don't want no grandma sheets. All of them were like either white, tan, like they were just basic, real basic. But I did get those 2 nightstands. So I did get the nightstands because they were a pretty good deal, and you know, they were the right color. They were the right color, and they were the right height. So I just gave in and got it. So we're gonna head to Target now. So I'm in Target right now, and I'm in the bedding section, and I'm looking at the bed sheets right now. This is what I see so far. Nothing's really catching my eye again, but I'm gonna keep looking. Let me go on the other aisle. See. Ooh, this one's cute, but I don't really want yellow though. Yeah, ain't nothing really special. Let me see if they got any more. A different aisle. So that was it. But also, is it like a bedding shortage or something? I might have to go to Ross. We might have to go to Ross to go find some bedding, because this ain't it. Like, this is probably like the nicest one. And this one. And those are not even it. So, so we might have to go to Ross. So, let's get into it. Okay, so I've officially made it into Ross. So we're about to see what Ross has for my room. I don't really see any paintings I can use. I think this is super cute. I really like this. I don't know though. I feel like I would have to, if that wasn't red, if it was like pink, it would have been perfect. I don't know. We're gonna keep looking. Actually, I like this. I love this. I think I'm gonna get this. I think I like this. This should go somewhere.
Mom, take car. Take car.
Ain't gonna
Mom,
be cute.
take car.
Ooh, look at this. This actually goes with the theme perfectly.
Hey, wait, where's the country, Mom?
You didn't like that one? I like it.
I don't really like it. Like, I like it, but it's like. I don't know. And then they have this one too. They got this one. Oh, I think this one's cute. But I don't know if it's gonna go in my room. I think I saw another one down here that's pink. I think that will be perfect. Yeah, this one's perfect. I'm definitely gonna get this one. Definitely gonna get this one. See, instantly come to Ross and I find his stuff. That's how you know Ross always got you. I do need some hangers, so I'm about to buy some hangers. I wonder if I could find a clothing rack in here, because I do need one. I am buying 2 packs of hangers. Okay. Let's see if we can find anything else. I see 2 lamps. I like these lamps. I think I'm gonna get, they have 2 of them, so I'll put them on the nightstand. I don't think they have any bed sheets either, because I don't see any. I don't even see any throw blankets, no, nothing. Yeah, so I might have to, I don't know where I can find some really cute bed sheets without it being, I don't know. I really gotta figure out where I'm gonna find some bed sheets here. That's not gonna cost me an arm and a leg. Cause Bed Bath and Beyond don't have any. Target didn't have any. TJ Maxx didn't have any. Ross is short. So it looked like I might have to go to Amazon and order them online because there's nothing in the store. Interesting. Yeah. Where can I go? If I can't go to Ross and find bed sheets, where can I go?
Nah, be for real. Oh my God, you for real? No, you for fake. No, you for real.
So I'm gonna try Walmart. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed that goes well. Alright guys, so I made it back home. So I'm gonna show you all the things that I found when I was out shopping.